Penthouse News. Penthouse News, y'all. It's our porch.
That's a bad bitch. Girl, you 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 a
Penthouse News. Penthouse News, y'all. It's our porch. This is our porch. Look at that. And it's still coming down. So y'all know me and wifey about to come out here. Let it snow. Let it snow. Look at my Pete. Y'all about to bust my ass coming down the stairs. Oh, this is it right here. This is it right here, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. This her shit right here. This her shit right here. Walk on the snow. Don't walk on that. That shit ice right there. I'm in forces. Give me what?
No! This thing coming! We wake up to snow, y'all.
Hey, Penthouse News, Penthouse News. We got a major storm snow update. It ain't no storm. It ain't no storm. It's a snow update.
Oh my God, there's a husky.
It's a snow update.
This is husky.
Yeah. Yeah.
Give me your ride, baby.
Huh?
Give me your ride, baby.
I ain't trying to be nasty, girl. Girl, let down your hand. Have no fear. With it, baby. Let the juices flow. Come on. Let go. Won't you let the juices flow? Baby, flow on, flow on. Ain't nothing wrong with it, baby. Let the juices.
Okay.
Cute.
Like everything keeps getting worse. No. Tell me how can I live happily with all this happening? I can't trust another. It happens after all. How can I live back?
Yeah, look at the truck chronicle. See that? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm on ice. Let me tell you. Baby garage couldn't open last night, so she had to park hers outside. So Snow White is in the snow. Is in the snow. Shit. Penthouse news back, Penthouse news back, y'all. Penthouse news back. As y'all can see, we never get snow in Houston, probably every 3 years or some shit like that. But when you get it, take advantage. Take advantage, yeah. Take advantage. Cause I've been out here a good hot. How long we been out here, baby? 20 minutes. And I'm cold, y'all. Poe, take them kids out in that snow, Poe. Ty, we don't get this too many times. But yeah, y'all enjoy it. Cause me and wifey, we out here. Even though she about to freeze. I told her to roll in the snow. But I thought about it. I said, baby, don't roll in no damn snow.
Hell nah.
I say, fuck that. Don't roll in no snow. So,
It coming down.
it's coming down, y'all. Look at that. We better get the hell up out of here. Hey, Colorado, anybody who gets snow all the time, good luck. Because I can't see myself going out in this shit every day. But some people love it. If you love it, I love it. Peace. Now look how thick that snow is when we walk. It's coming down hard since me and wife have been out here. I went and took the trash. Alright, y'all. I'm temping to go to work this morning. Temping. So I'm warming up my truck now. Look at this. Clear it up. So the plan is to make it to work. And it take me an hour to get to my job. You see that ice right there? That shit slippery than a motherfucker. I'm gonna bust my head 3 times coming to the truck. So I gotta let that shit defrost. I don't know how long that shit gonna take. But let's see. Y'all, hardly nobody came to work today. So now I gotta get on this trailer. Let me show you. I gotta get on this trailer and unload. Because the person who supposed to came ain't here, but it's a lot of ice on the road, so it's understandable. It's understandable. But let me make this money.
Every man needs a woman when his life is a mess. Because just like in a game of chess, the queen protects the king.
All right, y'all, welcome to another Truck Chronicles. Another Truck Chronicles. This Truck Chronicles gonna be serious, y'all. You know, I'm gonna tell y'all something that I never told nobody. I don't even think I told my wife what I'm about to share with y'all. So it's serious because sometimes I like to, have fun. Your son killing me. I like to have fun, all the time. And sometimes, I got to be, I got to be serious. I got to be serious, y'all. I got to be serious. But first of all, I just want to, thank God, for blessing me and my wife and everybody in Houston who love snow. With snow. It never snowed like that. It snowed from here all over Houston, all the way to Bourbon Street or New Orleans, all the way to Galveston Beach. I ain't never seen no snow hit, Galveston Beach. That's how far God bless us to get this snow, for this long. Not just Houston, the whole Texas, Louisiana, and Dallas, and San Antonio. So, hey, I remember, I understand what I said. I gotta get my word, I get choked up, y'all. I know what I said. I never seen it hit Galveston, the snow. It even hit Florida, y'all. Them people didn't know what to do. Them people didn't know what to do down there in Florida. They didn't know what to do down there in Florida. They had to tell, the new people had to tell them what to do. Get your coat. Bundle up when you go outside. All that. Because the snow, it travel far. It travel far and wide. It travel far and wide. But I just didn't like riding on the snow. Ain't even much of snow. When the snow melt and it turns to ice. They call it black ice. And you driving on this shit. On my way to work this morning, I feel my truck, sliding a little bit. But my baby caught and shake back up. But everybody call it catch and shake back up. Cause some people slide and run into the wall to the side of the freeway. I'm talking about, when you slide on that ice, you feel like you're going slow until you hit that motherfucking rail. Boom, and tear all your shit up. That it bring me back to when me and my wife went to Colorado, maybe 5 years or 4 years ago. And we was in Colorado and we went to try to go, skiing, with the little jet ski thing for the snow, and we left late. We left like 2, 3 o'clock. And it ended up getting dark fast. And not only did it get dark fast, it was a fucking snowstorm coming. But we didn't even watch the news when we went to the place. So we left like at 8. It's dark than a motherfucker.
And we chilling, having fun, stopping to get shit to eat. Now, we like 30 minutes from where we stayed. So on our way home, we got caught in the blizzard. Hey, y'all, in Colorado, they ain't got no lights on the road. It's dark than a motherfucker. It's dark and the snow falling and the snow everywhere. Now, what we messed up at, we drove to Colorado. And her friend drove to Colorado. You know. We rented a SUV van or something, I think it was a van. But her friend drove her car all the way to Colorado. So I'm trying to remember, y'all. So my wife and her friend want me to ride with them because it was dark and they couldn't see. So me and my wife didn't ride in the van we had. So we were with her friend to make sure, you know, her friend wasn't scared, you know, and shit like that. So I'm driving. Now, she ain't got no winter tires for Colorado. You know, you get Colorado, they give you the tires for the snow and shit. But she had regular street Houston tires. So we going through a blizzard. Curves everywhere. You know, y'all been in Colorado before. It's curves everywhere. We curve everywhere. We slide. I'm catching. That's how I learned how to drive on ice. Cause we slide and catching and I'm sliding and I'm catching and I'm sliding, and I'm going slow, so I won't lose control. But we came around the corner. Let me tell you how God works. Save all our ass. We come around the corner and we just slide. Now, y'all been to Colorado, it's like a mountain. One fuck up, you flipping off that motherfucker. So I'm sliding, and I just feel the car just going to one side. I couldn't catch it this time. I couldn't catch it, y'all. You just sliding. I couldn't catch it, and thank God it was a rail that had a rail right there. Cause they usually Colorado, you don't have too many rails, and it's dark. I can't even see the goddamn rail. I just heard something go boom. I said, oh shit, what we hit? And I stopped, and we looked, and the rail right there, and it was like a drop. Cause we was on the goddamn mountain. It's like a drop. And we all sitting in the car like, damn, is this real one right here? Oh, we be out. Oh, we would have flipped the fuck over. We would have flipped over. Yeah, we would have flipped over. Luckily, it's I don't know, it's a rescue people. It's a truck. He put the lights. His lights were so bright you could see everything. And he told us to go. So now I can see where I'm driving. And we made it back to our cabin we had rented. And we told ourselves, I will never drive from Houston to Colorado no more. Baby want to go back to Colorado now because we really didn't have no fun like we should have had when we were down there. And she want to do it over. But I told her this time we're going to fly. And we're going to stay wherever the jet skis at. Wherever, you know, the skis at. So all we got to do is walk to what we want to do. Instead of drive. I don't want to do no more driving in Colorado. They can have that. I Uber. I ain't driving to Colorado no more. When we do go back, because we definitely going back. You know, I ain't driving to Colorado. And I bet y'all saying, Penthouse, you looking dapper. You looking dapper for the truck chronicles. Hey, y'all. I like to switch it up. I like to switch it up. You know. Sometimes I switch it up every now and then, you know, and my wife be surprised I switch it up. But I switch it up. I switch it up. But I like this look. I like this look right here, y'all. I like this, you know. Let me show y'all the look. Sign on it. Yeah, I like this look right here. I might do more of this look this winter. I might do more of this look this winter. And 2 more weeks and some change. Me and baby be on a cruise. Vacation cruise. And I can't wait. Because I'm doing the countdown. I'm counting the days down into this cruise. And I can't wait. I can't wait. But let's get back to the more important thing that I wanted to talk to y'all about. So, I was watching this show. I don't know what show it was. But it was a young lady. And she had a boyfriend. And they were talking since she graduated from high school. And it started getting toxic to a point that she had to put a restraining order on him. And they ended up having a baby together during their relationship. And he started getting violent and putting his hand on her and beating her. And she was trying to leave, and he said, "You're not going nowhere. I'll kill you if you leave." She didn't take the nigga serious. So, but after a while, he kept saying it. She starts like, "You might do something to me for real." So, she ended up putting a restraining order on him. And he still was coming in harassing and messing with her. So she went back down there and complained to the police again and put another restraining order on him. But she said, "Why y'all just can't go get him and arrest him and scam or something?" Oh, because he ain't really, you got to call, if he do something to you, call him right there and there if he do something to you. So she drove to her grandma's house and her grandpa's house, to drop her child off. In the process of her doing that, her boyfriend / baby daddy was waiting on her. Now, he wasn't waiting on her. She was getting out the car, and he drove up on her. And they got into an argument. They started talking. He got into an argument. And he pulled out a gun. Shot her. Now, her son in the back seat. Shot in the car in the passenger seat. Shot her. And shot her grandma and her papa. Because they was outside to get the shot. They shot both of them. And she ended up surviving it. I think she did. She died. I think she survived because she got hit in the leg and shit. I think she survived. And this fool get on social media crying saying he ain't mean to do it. But you just shot these people up. And this girl put all these restraining orders on this man. And the lawman didn't do nothing. And I think she died. I was trying to look for a clip of it. I couldn't find it. But that remind me of my situation I was in. My last relationship before I met my wife. I was with this lady for 8 to 9 years before I met my wife. And it was a abusive relationship. If that's a word, abusive relationship. There we was in. And she was the abuser. Now y'all ask yourself, say, Penthouse, what you did for this lady to put her hands on you? What you did to cause this woman to keep putting her hands on you? What you do, Penthouse? What did you do for this lady to keep putting her hands on you like that to a point that it's affecting your relationship? And my answer is, it doesn't fucking matter what I did. Nobody should be getting beat on, hit on, for no apparent reason. Because at the end of the day, the person who's doing all the beating and hitting, they can just leave. If it's that bad, you feel like I gotta put my hands on this person, just leave. Just leave. If it gets that bad, just leave. Ain't no sense you putting your hands on somebody and you end up in jail or something bad might happen to you. The person you putting your hands on might end up killing your ass. But this situation, police didn't do nothing. She put, restraining order after restraining order, and he didn't do nothing. But back to my situation. And I gotta remember, cause wife called. No, she didn't call. She pulled up on me. But yeah, that situation really brought back memories. But when I was, with her, I cheated. Well, let me rewind it. When I met her, I told her I wasn't no good. I told her I ain't no good. I might cheat on you. And she was like, that's cool that, I just want to be your friend. And I just want to be around you and be with you. I just want to be around and be with you, which is cool. But I ain't no good. At that time, I ain't no good. And she the one in my last, blogs I did probably months ago that I was telling y'all that 2 weeks later she came back. She had my name like right here. Didn't ask me. Just told me I got surprised and she put my name right there. And I was like, wow. That excited me. So I ended up talking to her. And we ended up, she started, started being good until she bought me a phone. And and I was doing all other things on that phone, and she ended up checking the phone records and found out I was calling and talking to other women. And ever since then, she was heartbroken. And ever since then, and they were like 2 years or a year into the relationship. And she stayed with me through all the shit I put her through. She stayed with me. And I used to ask her, why is you staying here? And I'm doing all this stuff. She couldn't leave. So after 5 years, I'm like, yeah, maybe, she the one for me. But she kept putting her hands on me, because I could be just chilling, have me a good time, and a woman could be in front of me, and I could be looking that way, and she instantly get mad, like, why you keep staring at this woman? What woman? What woman you talking about I'm staring at? And it end up, we leave where we at, and we go home, and we fight. Well, she fight. I never did put my hands on her, because I wasn't raised that way. So I ain't touching, not damn time. I'll do the Bruce, she was putting the Bruce on me. I ain't touching damn time. So, it got to a point that I didn't want to be there no more. And I tried to leave, and she just wouldn't let me leave. She would not let me leave. I thought she was gonna fuck me out. So I was like, let me chill. This ML crazy. So let me chill. at night I used to talk to God. God, you can get me out of this. I do right. Lord, if you can get me out of this situation I'm in, I do right. But as I was talking to God, it didn't happen right then and now. Now it's getting to the point now, she just stealing off on me. We driving the car. She just then put me out. All kind of crazy shit. And I go back home because we stayed together. And she wasn't there. And we stayed together. And I used to just sometimes lay on the floor, just cry and talk to God. I gotta get out of here, God. Peacefully. And one day, we were leaving and Homeland Security pulled up on us. And she did something. She was doing something. Homeland Security pulled up on her. It was something major. I know what she was doing, but I ain't gonna put all that out there. And she had to end up doing some time. But it was time for her to go to court. And then when she went to court, they were gonna take her to jail. And she knows this. So she was trying to tell the judge everything she can not to go to jail. Not to go to jail. And it didn't work. In my mind, you go to jail, I'm gone. This is my opportunity to leave. And she knows that. So that she tried everything in her power not to go to jail. But God heard my prayer. God heard my prayer. And she went to jail. And I went online. And I saw my wife. I saw her profile picture. Shot her inbox. And it was history. And I burnt out. I left that girl and never looked back. And thank God for getting me out that situation. So now I had to change. I said, God, I'm going to change. Get me out of this situation. All that cheating, all that, I had to change. So when I met my wife, I said, I'm going to be a good man. And look how far God blessed me to be one I'm at today. That's my testimony, y'all. Look where I'm at. Blessed to be here today. With a beautiful wife. And I'm happy. And me and my wife never had a fight. We never put our hand on each other. And we gone on 10 years. Or 9 years. 9 years this year. Yeah, this year. 9 years. And 2 arguments. That's it. That's it. So, if you're in a abusive relationship, just get out. I know y'all want to hang in there. You're going to get better. You don't. It don't. It get worse. So, try to leave before it's too late. Or, you feel like you can't, Get them before they get you. Get them before they get you. Because you don't want them to get you. You might not come back. You might not come back. But that's what I wanted to say, y'all. And if this your third time coming back, hit the subscribe button. You family. If you ain't hit the subscribe button, step back and do that now. Hit the subscribe button right now. But this your third time coming back. Welcome. Peanut butter, seasoned woman, OG, stud. Hit the subscribe and join the family. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. So, I'm ending this here, y'all. Enjoy. Have a blessed day, a blessed week, and we'll do this again. Peace.
There to